Tired of manually adding contacts and struggling to keep your customer data organized for effective WhatsApp marketing? Then let's dive into how to effortlessly upload your contacts to Aisensy and unlock the power of targeted communication. First, log into your Aisensy account. On the left-hand menu, click on the Contacts section. This will take you to your contact management area. Next, look for the Import Contacts button. It's usually located at the top right of the screen. Click on it. Now you'll see different import options. You can choose to upload a CSV file, connect your Google Sheets, or even add contacts manually. Let's start with CSV. Select Upload CSV. Make sure your CSV file is properly formatted with columns for phone number, name, and any other relevant details you want to include. Download the example CSV file for easy formatting. Once uploaded, you'll need to map the columns from your CSV file to the corresponding fields in Aisensy. This ensures that your data is imported correctly. Alternatively, you can select Google Sheets and follow the instructions to connect your Google account and select the specific sheet containing your contacts. If you only have a few contacts, you can opt for manual entry. Just click at Contact and fill in the details for each person. After importing, double-check your contact list to ensure all data has been uploaded successfully. Remember to keep your contact list clean and up-to-date for optimal performance. That's it. Start communicating effectively with your customers.